ready to go to the beach? Yeah, you excited? All right.
Hey, Bubba.
Let's get our swimsuit on. Come on, buddy. If we're gonna spend the day at the beach, you know, mom and dad gotta pack some cold drinks. Don't forget the fun flasks and plenty of snacks to keep the little guy entertained, because you know how that goes. I finished loading up the cooler and doing all the mom things while David went and got the dinghy to bring around. That way we could get everything loaded up and ready to go. Hi, honey. You ready to go beach? This is the first dinghy that we bought for our boat. We went with a lower grade catamaran style, just inflatable Takacat dinghy, and we like her okay. She does have a lot of like splash over the side, so when David's sitting there on the edge, he'll get constant like waves to the face. But I guess if you're going to the beach anyways, that's not a huge deal. We are looking to upgrade soon though.
Yes, please.
There was a couple next to us who actually had baby ducks out there on the beach with them, and these three little girls were so cute. They were running around showing off the baby ducks. They had such a good time. It was cute. It's not a true beach day until you're out there trudging through the hot sand with your toddler looking for the perfect rocks to put in his bucket. This local beach that we like to go to is pretty cool. However, I don't remember this much seaweed being here last year. I'm guessing just the way that the tide is bringing things in this year, it's getting pretty bad. But I mean, everybody just kind of makes do. If you can see, they just pull right up on it and set up shop. So it's still a pretty cool spot to come hang out with the fam. There was a ton of jellyfish in the water this year when we went, but honestly it was just too hot not to swim, so I took my chances out there anyways. Yep, that's me being a spaz, digging a hole with my feet because I hate having dirty hands. Apparently I'm OCD and can't handle the beach. Laugh if you want. That was pretty far. than me.
Try it. Come on, come on, come on.
Yep, that's my boys out there throwing sand at each other on the beach. Yep, that's my boys. Don't mind me almost falling in the water right here. Oops, what a klutz. Now Matthew does pretty good when we pull up to the dock. He just kind of sits there until we tell him he could get up. So he's getting the hang of it. I was on a mission to find a missing croc because apparently it bounced around while we were on the boat ride, and David, sneaky little butt, had to get out of the dinghy and watch me suffer.
You're doing good.
Thanks. Put my phone down.
They're hot.
Naked baby. Don't be fooled, the water coming out of this hose is seriously like 90 degrees. Nothing like a nice hot dock shower on a hot day after doing all that work. We were exhausted after a long day at the beach, so we decided to hit up one of our favorite restaurants here in town, Surfrider. If you've been to it, they're super good. We tell Matthew that the calamari is chicken nuggets, and he tears it up. So we all had a good time there, and then just kind of went home and had a lazy movie night after that. Give me that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Help us out. Thank you. Have a great day.